Hello everyone, my name is Cam and welcome to another RAMShard Minecraft plugin tutorial. Before we get started, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Plugins are a useful tool for your Minecraft server. They allow you to add many different cool features and customizations such as ranks, game modes, and rules. Today, we will be going over a plugin called Medicine Craft. This plugin adds realistic injuries to your Minecraft server. This plugin adds 2 injuries, breaking bones and bleeding. These injuries will make you die faster unless you heal using craftable bandages and plaster. Use bandages to stop bleeding and plaster to heal broken bones. You break bones and bleed by fall damage and getting hit by mobs or other players. You can also heal other players, which we will go over later. So starting out, make sure to install the plugin first. If you don't know how, look to the top right for the icon on how to install plugins. After installing the plugin, restart and head into your server. Now we will go over the crafting and commands for this plugin. The first crafting recipe is for the bandage. Like I said earlier, you use this if you are bleeding. To make this, you will need 4 string and 1 piece of paper. Then, to use the bandage, simply right click. The next crafting recipe is for plaster. And like I said earlier, this is for broken bones. To make this, you need 9 paper. Then, just right click to use. Now I will go over the commands. To heal a player, type the command \medicate and then their player name. You can also give a player either plaster or a bandage by using the command \medicine_craft give plaster or bandage and then their player name. And that's it for this plugin. If you have any more questions or want to check out more features that this plugin has, I will leave the plugin page in the description. That is how you can incorporate the Medicine Craft plugin on your Minecraft server. Thanks for watching.